In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best baby cribs. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best baby cribs. Number 5. Storkcraft Beckett Convertible Crib. The Storkcraft Beckett 3-in-1 convertible crib brings a timeless touch to your baby's nursery. With clean lines, tapered legs, and mid-century charm, it converts from a crib to a toddler bed and daybed, growing with your little one through every stage. Crafted from durable pine wood, it features 4 adjustable mattress heights and is GreenGuard Gold and JPMA certified for safety. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, while the two-tone finish adds a modern flair. Perfect for parents who value quality, safety, and design, this crib creates a cozy and stylish sleep space for your baby. Number 4. Newton Baby Galileo 3-in-1 Convertible Crib. For parents who appreciate premium craftsmanship, the Newton Baby Galileo Convertible Crib delivers both beauty and durability. Made from solid beech wood sourced from France, this crib converts effortlessly from crib to toddler bed and daybed, lasting through your child's early years. Its sleek lines and rounded arches complement any nursery style, while the non-toxic, baby-safe finish ensures peace of mind. The included toddler conversion kit adds convenience and value. Designed to pair perfectly with Newton's breathable mattress, the Galileo offers comfort, safety, and elegance in one heirloom-quality design. Number 3. DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 Convertible Crib. Beautifully designed and built to last, the DaVinci Kalani 4-in-1 Convertible Crib is a trusted favorite among parents worldwide. Crafted from 100% solid New Zealand pine wood, it transitions from crib to toddler bed, daybed, and full-size bed, giving you years of reliable use. The GreenGuard Gold certification ensures a safe and clean environment, while the 4 adjustable mattress heights make it easy to access your baby. With smooth curves, sturdy slats, and hidden hardware, the Kalani combines classic style with modern safety. It's a timeless centerpiece for your growing family's nursery. Number 2. Graco Hadley 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer. The Graco Hadley 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer is the ultimate space-saving solution for modern nurseries. Featuring a full-size drawer, 3 enclosed drawers, open shelves, and a water-resistant changing pad, it keeps all your essentials within reach. This crib transitions from crib to toddler bed, daybed, and full-size bed, adapting as your child grows. Made from sustainable wood and tested to meet all safety standards, it's both practical and stylish. Available in multiple finishes, the Hadley combines convenience, functionality, and elegance, perfect for parents who want everything in one sleek design. Number 1. Babyletto Pogo 8-in-1 All-Stages Convertible Crib. Topping our list is the Babyletto Pogo 8-in-1 All-Stages Convertible Crib, a true all-in-one sleep solution for growing families. It seamlessly transforms from a bassinet to a midi crib, full-size crib, toddler bed, daybed, and even a junior bed. GreenGuard Gold certified, it ensures a healthier sleep space free from harmful chemicals. With its removable caster wheels, adjustable mattress heights, and included conversion kits, it's designed for ultimate convenience. Stylish, sustainable, and built to last, the Pogo is the only crib your child will ever need from newborn to big kid years. And there you have it, the top 5 best baby cribs designed to grow with your little one and make your nursery both safe and beautiful. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.